Next problem, a triangular plane lamina of side 25 mm is resting on HP. On HP means below XY line. With one of its corner means corner should come left side of the given problem. And then such that the side opposite to the corner on which it rests is 15 mm above horizontal plane, this is second position, and makes an angle of 30 degree with VP. VP means you should draw an horizontal plane, that is third position. If it is resting on HP, you should take HP angle first and then VP angle. If it is resting on VP, you should take VP angle first and then HP angle. Now it is resting on HP is there, on HP with 25 mm side. It's a triangular lamina resting on one of its HP with one of its corner is there. Corner should be left side but on HP. Now we'll draw the triangular lamina. So we'll take parallel to this. Parallel to that I will take 25 mm side. So this is 25 mm side I have taken, and then we'll take with the divider 25 mm side. The same distance I will take from the divider because it is resting on one of its corner should come. So I have taken that distance and will cut on either side. This side I will cut, and then other side. So this side I will cut. So we will got a triangular lamina by taking 25 mm distance on either side. Now join this point with that corner point, then join this side, right, resting on one of its corner, and the distance is 25 mm. So we should give the dimension for that. Dimension is 25 mm, and then naming A, B, C. And then draw the projectors. On either side. So with thin lines you have to draw the projectors. So and give the arrow marks. So this is the triangular lamina resting on one of its corner on HP. Corner should be left side, right? According to given triangular plane of lamina side 25 mm, we got resting on HP means on HP below XY line with one of its corner. With one of its corner is left side it should come, and we'll draw the lamina. Lamina should be dark line. And then it is, when you are weaving from this side, A is visible, so always above XY line with dash. B is visible, B dash, C dash. Now, first part is over, that is first position is over. Second position, when it is resting on HP means always we should consider HP angle at the first time. Now check the HP angle which is given in the problem or not. It is rest 15 mm above HP and makes an angle of 30 degree with VP is given. VP we should not consider second position because it is resting on HP. HP angle we should consider, that HP angle is not given. Instead of what they have given, 15 mm above HP is given. So we will take 15 mm line. Parallel to this we will take 15 mm line. So just mark 15 mm above XY line. So mark 15 mm. So 15 mm I have marked. Now we'll draw a line parallel to XY line. So we'll draw parallel to XY line. From this point only I will draw. Take this as parallel. We will draw a line that is called as locus line, 15 mm above XY line. As a locus line I am drawing from this point. So we should draw locus line by taking 15 mm distance from the, so we'll give the dimension 15 mm above horizontal plane. This is the horizontal plane. Above horizontal plane it is 15 millimeter. So I have taken the 15 mm and then mark one point here. So call it as A dash. Mark one point A dash here, and then take with the divider the distance from A dash to B dash C dash. So take this distance. This distance you have to take. Now after taking that distance, keep at A dash point and cut that locus line. Now after cutting you will get a line from this point to this point. You have to join. So just will mark dark with dark line. The lamina have transferred from A dash point to B dash C dash. Right. This lamina I have marked by keeping A dash point on XY line at any place, anywhere. Then take the distance from A dash to B dash C dash and cut that locus line. This is called as locus line of BC. Locus line of BC, 15 mm, and measure the angle. You should get at least 44 degree, otherwise 45 degree, no problem. Error will be there. So around, you will get around 40 degree you got here. So you should check with the help of software. So we got here 40 degree. We'll write 40 degree only here. Then now we got A dash, B dash and C dash. Draw the projector from A dash, B dash, C dash below. You have to consider this parallel. Draw the projector from either side. So we'll take parallel this XY line only. Now from A, next from B, from C. With thin line you have to draw the projector. Then from this point you have to draw. So we'll take this as reference. Till A you have to draw from A, and then from BC you have to draw the projector. Now give the arrow marks for both VP and HP. Now A is joining with A point from the A dash top view, front view, so it is A. Now B will be joining, this is B. C is joining, this is called as C. Now we'll join these points A to B with a dark line. Then B to C, and then A to C. So now we got top view, or the second position is over. After getting second position, now we should move for third position, that is angle inclination with HP or VP depending upon resting. Now it is a inclination with, it is resting on HP, so we should get inclination with VP, that is 30 degree to VP is there. Third position resting on HP idaga, third position should be VP. Resting on VP idaga, third position VP. So it is resting on HP, so third position VP. Second position you should take it as HP. Resting on HP idaga HP angle first ತಗೋಬೇಕು, then VP angle. So VP angle is 30 degree, so we'll draw the 30 degree VP angle. VP ಇದ್ದಾಗ HP ಒಳಗಡೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. So we'll draw 30 degree line, we'll mark a point here and we'll take 30 degree line from this point. So we'll take 30 degree this side. Then we'll join these 2 points with thin lines. So that is 30 degree line I have taken. Now read the question. Makes an angle of 30 degree with VP. Which is making 30 degree line? That is very important. Which is making 30 degree line? The side opposite to the corner. This is the side opposite to this corner. The side opposite to this corner. A is the corner. The side opposite to that corner is BC. Is inclined 30 degree to VP. So B should come, C should come here and take the distance from B to C with the divider. Take distance from B to C. And keep at C point, which I have marked, anywhere you can mark, and then cut that 30 degree line by B. Right. Now take the distance from B to A. This is very important construction because the edge is resting in the third position. On either side you should get the same distance. So on either side you should have the same distance, otherwise the construction error will be there. So draw the arcs on either side. Now join these points. Now this triangle has been transferred here. This triangle, because the given problem is the edge on which it rests is inclined. The edge opposite to the corner on which it rests is inclined. The question is very clear. The edge opposite to the corner on which it rests. This is the resting corner. The edge which is opposite to the corner on which it rests is inclined 30 degree to VP is given. The third position, half that is top view is over. Then we'll go for front view. So this point is A. I will draw the projector parallel to this. We'll draw the projector from here. Right. Then we'll draw projector from these points. So we'll take this as reference. From C point, then from A point, A is intersecting at XY line only, then from B point. So now the projector has been drawn. This is B, this is C, this is A. So A point intersecting at XY line only, we'll draw it as A dash. B point from here, both are intersecting. So this is called as B dash and this is called as C dash. Now we'll join the points. That is from A point to C dash point, A dash to C dash point, then A dash to B dash point, then B dash to C dash point. So this is how you have to construct when the edge is resting in the third position. This is the edge which is resting in the third position. It may be corner or it may be edge resting at the first position, but third position, if it is resting on one of its edge, that is the angle, the side opposite to the corner on which it rests is inclined 30 degree to VP. This is the corner, opposite to that corner is this edge is inclined 30 degree to VP. This is how we have to construct.